difference is a carbide tool always needs to be flat. You have to consider the thickness of the tool, and you want it directly in center line with the drive and the point of the spear of the tailstock. And there's no getting around not being level. If you're too high and trying to go down, that's dangerous. If your tail or tool rest is too low and you try to go up in an up position to try to come center line, that's another dangerous position. But this is more of a tearing type cut because the back bevel is not supporting the wood fibers.